Hey everybody, welcome back to Friday. This is the last weekend that we're going to be here in town. So, Saturday morning, bright and early, we are going to head out to the airport and we're going to pick us up a rental car and we're going to make us a rather lengthy road trip on Saturday around the Tuscany area. We're going to make a big loop down towards Siena and then head back up this way, and there's a number of things that I want to fly while we're down there. I am taking the drone for this one and it's going to work out just great. Like I said, it's the last weekend in town, and then we're going to be heading down towards Rome for a few days, and then after that we're going to meet some friends in Spain for a couple of weeks, and then sadly we got to head back to the States. I guess it's not sadly, but it had to come eventually. But anyway, since this is our last weekend and we've got a big road trip planned, I'd like you guys to come along as we explore the Tuscany area of Italia. Hey everybody, we have come here to wander around in the Tuscany area of Italy, and we're in a little town called Panzano. You can kind of see behind me what it looks like out there. It's absolutely a gorgeous place. This is wine country right here. And we're going to wander around the street a little bit in this town and kind of check it out, maybe get a coffee. And kind of see what we can see. We're going to be looking for a place where I can actually throw the drone up a little bit and see what we can find out there as far as airborne stuff. But yeah, we're going to check this out a little bit more. Panzano, Italia. I'll bring you back. Isn't that the sweetest thing? We have come here to Panzano in Chianti. Lovely little place. I've got this in a picture from before. It's got Florence and the path through Panzano over to Siena. Very cool. Lovely little fountain in the middle here with a beautiful tree behind it. This is a gorgeous little stopping place. This ladies are out here putting in the flowers, and a fantastic job they're doing. Gorgeous. Those guys are everywhere too. This is a gorgeous day. It's probably in the low 70s. All the bicyclers are out, all the motorcyclers are out. It's just absolutely fantastic. We're going to have us a little cup of coffee here at this little place, and we are about to go throw the drone up in a bit. So, very cool. All right, we found us a cutesy little place to park right here next to this little tower. We're not too far off the top of the mountain here. And I'm gonna attempt to fly. You can kind of see the edge that we're at. We have achieved the edge. And I'm gonna fly over the valley here and get up to some altitude where I can kind of go over in that direction over there and kind of see what's up on top of the hill. Let's go down here to this park bench and see if we can't make this happen. We'll walk a second in the beauty of Tuscany. I just landed. It's all sitting right here. I've made the little flight. I hope it turns out well. Kind of excited about it. It really looked cool from the air. That would be Panzano, Italia. I think it worked out great. Looked good from where I was sitting, and I think it's going to be fantastic. All right, we're moving on to our next place. We're going to do a little bit of driving through town, but I think we're heading for another little place. I'll bring you back. We've come up out of the valley to this top of this little hill to this tiny little walled city here called Monteriggioni. And we've parked the car and we're about to go wander in here and find us a little bite to eat maybe. And then I'm going to go find someplace to fly the drone. Let's go see what it looks like inside the walls, and then we'll go see what it looks like above the city. Sounds like a plan. There's the name of it right there. Monteriggioni.
We can walk on the walls if you want.
We'll see. Lots going on in this little town center. All right, we're still kind of wandering around the little walled city here. I figured I'd go through and kind of capture a few things on the inside before I actually went out and threw the drone up. There's a few little streets in here that go left and right in different directions. And beautiful spring day, isn't it? Oh my goodness. These little trees here that are sitting in this courtyard, these are olive trees. You can tell by the little pale grayish green leaves that are on them. This cute little town. What is this cute little beehive thing sitting in the middle of the road right here? I wonder what that's all about. Smoker? No. Not sure. It looks like it had water. A well of some kind. Isn't that interesting? Yeah. Look at these neat little towers around the town here. These are the ones on the back side. They're fixing the ones on the front. They got scaffolding all over them. This is quite the little town. Kind of neat. All right, we just left, and now we are heading back down to the car. I'm going to pull out my drone and see if I can't get a little flight action in. We have come way back here in the olive trees, and I've got the drone right there in that bag, and I'm going to throw it up in the air and kind of see what I can get here. So stand by while I put this thing together. Let's see what we can get. the Audi Q3, beautiful rig. But we were actually told by the lady in Pisa to remove that window to get in. Would not have been my first idea. Okay, now we head for the place where we catch a shuttle bus over to the airport, the train back to Frienza, and then a taxi back to our place for the evening. Oh my gosh. This has turned out to be, it was a great day. We did some great flights. We had a good time. But we had to break a window, and I'm not happy about that. I'll be back. Shit.